Good morning. It's Wednesday, and today I just wanted to go over a couple of exciting announcements for this weekend. I am really excited to be participating in this big open house train that's going to be happening on Saturday. This was put together by Dranoff and Marianne Harris at Art House. There's going to be a train of buyers going all throughout the city, and I'm very excited to be sitting an open house at this beautiful property at 256 South 3rd Street. This is listed by Sean Kaplan here at Compass, and it's really something else. Very excited to see it. Going down there this afternoon to see it with Sean and the sellers. Just going to give you kind of a quick overview here. 2.295, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 1.5 half baths, and 4,300 square feet on South 3rd Street. Just kind of go through the photos here. It looks spectacular. I cannot wait to see it this afternoon. This is turnkey, high-end, fantastic neighborhood, perfect location. Just doesn't get much better than this, with parking, I'm assuming, and just beautiful floor plan with 5 or 6 levels. So I'm really excited to see that and participate in this open house thing. And then after that, I'm going to be doing 2 open houses on Sunday. I'm going to do one at this listing we talked about the other day, 12 to 130. This is in South Philly, $355,000. Like I said, a really nice renovation by the people that Lori Murphy works with, and we talked about this the other day. And then finally, I'm going to sit an open house on Sunday at my good friend Scott Frith's listing in Brewery Town. Brewery Town is an area that is just booming right now. And talk about an area where you can buy new construction, brand new houses, 1,700 square foot house for $345,000. I mean, that is just, if you don't think there's upside there in the coming 10 years, I don't know what to tell you. But that's a slam dunk right there. And so I'm really excited about getting out into the world and doing some of these open houses, and I hope to see all of you there.